morning, students. Welcome back to our linear algebra subject. So I am your teacher. I'm Elvin Kagampan. And before we start our class, kindly stand up for our prayer. Miss Kathy, can you please lead the prayer? Amen. So before you sit down, please align your chairs and pick up a pieces of trash under your chair. Thank you. So our topic for today is about operations with matrices. So we'll talk about this topic for this subject. So next, before we start our lesson deeply, so we will have our activity which entitled Uncover Me. So anyone who can give me the answer of this one, what is this symbol? Very good, Dave. This is bracket. So next, what do we call if the element in a matrix is aligned horizontally? It is row. Very good. Who answered that one? Jason. Thank you, Jason. Next, we have here, what do we call if the elements of a matrix is aligned vertically? It is column. Very good, class. So next, this one, the numbers in the matrix, what do we call? Elements. That's right, Angela. So this one, 3 by 3. Do you familiar with this one? Yes, we can see this on a educational bookstore, the 3 by 3 board or whiteboard. We can see that. So this one, where do we use this one in our matrix? So this is called dimension. Very good, class. So I think you did great. You know already what are the terms that we can encounter in matrix or operations with matrix. So next, we will start our lesson objectives. So at the end of this lesson, of this discussion, the student should be able to determine the dimension of a matrix, to add and subtract two matrices. You are also expected to multiply matrix by a scalar. So next, let's define what is matrix. Yes, very good. Matrix is an array of numbers, which they are columns and rows. So these numbers here inside the bracket are the elements, and the numbers horizontally there are rows, and vertically they are columns. So next, what is row? Yes, very good. That is elements that are aligned horizontally that is found in our activity, right? Yes. Next, we have column. So these are the elements that are aligned vertically like this. They are aligned vertically. So next, let's go to addition of two matrices. No, not yet, the dimension. So what is dimension? It is the number of rows by the number of columns. So let us remember that dimension, we kept on finding rows first, and then so these are rows 1, 2, 3, and these are columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us remember that in dimension we kept on writing the row first and then by column or multiply by column. So this one is 3 by 4 matrix. So next, we're going to addition of two matrices. So take note that you can only add two matrices with the same dimension. For example, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or 4 by 4, and so on. The other term of same dimension is a square matrix. So we have here A, matrix A, 4, 2, negative 3, 5, matrix B, negative 2, 6, 9, negative 5. So in addition, we will add first the column and the row. First column in matrix A and first row in matrix A and first column in matrix B. So we have here 4 plus negative 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. And 5 plus negative 5 is 0. So after we get all the values, so this is our new matrix. This is 2, 11, 3, 0. 3, 0. And then what is the dimension of this new matrix? This is 2 by 2. So next, yeah, that's right. It's 2 by 2. Next, we have subtraction. So the subtraction of two matrices, same with addition, you can only subtract two matrices with the same dimension. So this is matrix G, 9, 10, negative 5, 8, 6, 4, 7, negative 2, 2. And matrix H, 4, 6, 8, negative 3, 0, 1, 8, negative 7, and 5. So same with addition, the first row and first column. So first, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 10 minus negative 3 is 7, negative 5 minus 8 is 13, 8 minus 6 is 2, and 8 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus negative 7 is negative 3, and then 7 minus 8 equals negative 1, negative 3 minus 1 is 4, and then 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So, what is the dimension of this new matrix? Anyone? Yes, very good. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. So, it is a square matrix. Next, we have multiplying matrix with a scalar. This is an easy one. So, our matrix F, we have 2 by 3. We have here 2 rows and 3 columns. So this one, we will multiply this by this scalar matrix J. Scalar matrix is there's only one element in a matrix. So this one. 6 times 7 is 42. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 6 is 30. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So our new matrix is 42, 54, 30, 18, and 6, and 12. So this is our new matrix. So what is the dimension of this one? Anyone? Okay, Cynthia? Very good. This is a 2 by 3 matrix because we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So I think we already achieved our lesson objective. First, determine the dimension of a matrix. Do you already know how to determine the dimension of a matrix? Very good. So second, add and subtract two matrices. Do you know how to add and subtract two matrices? That's right. It's very good, class. So lastly, multiply matrix by a scalar. So we already know how to multiply matrix by scalars. Just multiply all the elements in a matrix by one element of scalar matrix. So that's all for today, class. Thank you for your participation. Have a great day ahead.